whether it's your wife. Imagine in Ramadan, how long do our wives spend in the kitchen? Not less than 3 hours, 4 hours. When you break your fast with the dates, what's the first comment? Ah, the soup needed some salt. The sambusa is overcooked. And this is that, and this is. This is devastating. No matter what, praise your wife's cooking. Seriously, my wife knows I'm a big liar whenever she cooks food, and I've been married for 33 years. Whenever she cooks food, she usually makes mistakes. Either it's burnt, too salty, too raw. I eat and I speak while eating. If it's bad, I eat 3 morsels, 4 morsels. I eat a lot of salad. Alhamdulillah, may Allah Azza wa Jal grant you Jannah, beautiful food. In Arabic we say, Tislam al-ayadi. May your hands be healthy and to. And she looks at me while I'm eating and she says, you're lying. The food is horrible. Why don't you say so? Why don't you speak? I said, how long have you spent in the kitchen cooking it? Did you intend it this way? It so happened. And if it happens, I appreciate your effort, not the result. Because I have so many shortcomings. If you start picking them up, I'll be doomed. I never take you out. Seriously, I never take her out at all. We never travel. I don't take you to restaurants. I don't buy you gifts. I don't say good words. And you want me to complain about your cooking or about the house or about my clothes not being ironed? I should be ashamed of myself. So this way of reciprocating, of appreciation, you live happy life. You don't eat well, but you live a happy life because we all have our shortcomings. You must show your gratitude to others in order so Allah Azza wa Jal would grant you or would appreciate and reward you for what you do.